Ants are like tiny sugar fiends that show up the second you leave a sticky mess, and honestly, they do not care about your vibe. You gotta be on your game when it comes to sugary spills if you want to kick ants to the curb. First off, clean up any spills right away. Don't wait around hoping they'll just disappear. Use a damp cloth with some vinegar or lemon juice to wipe down surfaces because ants hate that acidic smell. Keep your kitchen counters and floors dry, and make sure to store sweet snacks in airtight containers so ants can't smell their way in. Trash bins should have tight lids and get emptied regularly to avoid any party invites for ants. You can also sprinkle some cinnamon or coffee grounds near entry points. Ants don't like crossing that stuff. If you spot a trail, wipe it away with vinegar to erase their scent path so they don't come back. And hey, don't forget to check window screens and door seals for cracks where these little guys sneak in. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with ants attracted to sugary spills is ignoring quick cleanup, which basically hands ants a free meal and a reason to stick around. Fix that by always wiping down sticky spots immediately. Another common issue is using only water to clean. That doesn't cut it because ants still catch the scent. Use vinegar or lemon juice instead for better results. Lastly, many folks forget to seal food properly or leave trash open, which is like sending out an open invite to ants. Just get some airtight containers and keep trash covered and taken out regularly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who actually know what they are doing, making your home projects way less stressful. Plus, if you are a contractor, it's a solid way to find real work and grow your business without all the hassle of chasing leads.